to look at where do you need to decrease, where do you need to increase, where do you need to even not fund some of those programs. And I think this, to me, is the way to go. But I would also want that maybe moving forward, supplementary budget 2 should be able to be given adequate time, because the period of time for the supplementary budget 2 has been very short. If we could be able to look at the supplementary budget 1 again in maybe towards the second quarter of the financial year, then supplementary budget 2 towards the third or fourth quarter, then it gives time for corrections to be made in adequate time. With those few remarks, Honorable Speaker, I support. What is the point
what
of
is
order,
Chepkonga?
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I don't know why Honorable Bukosa is protesting my point of order, and he knows that it is a good one. I ordinarily accept his point of information. Should have accepted my point of order. Mr. Speaker, listening to Honorable Bukosa and many others who have just spoken, it appears that what we are discussing is purely post-mortem. Yes. There is very little that we can change here, Mr. Speaker. So I rise pursuant to Standing Order number 95, seeking your, and you can see the next order, Mr. Speaker. It's a very serious one. We have been accused by the Senate most of the time that we don't prioritize their matters. And you see this CARA, the next CARA motion, Mr. Speaker, is extremely very important. I don't know why Honorable Makali Muli is asking for a point of order, and he knows I'm on a point of order. Point of order, I've risen on a point of order, and I know the only reason why Honorable Makali is protesting is motion.
You shall prosecute a point of order.
Yes.
Without
being disturbed. Very good. Thank you very much.